In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Smartsheet without an account. This is particularly useful if you want to gain quick access to information without the hassle of setting up an account, or for those times when you're collaborating on a project and need to view content promptly. There are specific circumstances in which you can do this, and I'll guide you through step by step. Firstly, it's important to know that you can only access Smartsheet without an account if certain conditions are met. This typically occurs when someone has shared a sheet, report, or dashboard with you through a public link. The owner of the item must have published it and set the permissions to allow access for anyone with the link. This is crucial because without these particular settings, you'll likely need an account to view the content. Once these conditions are met, you're in luck because you can view the content without going through the login process. This means that as soon as you have the link, you're just a click away from accessing the information you need. Even if you're new to Smartsheet or don't use it frequently, this method gives you the flexibility to be involved without the need to sign up or remember another set of login credentials. When you receive the link, all you need to do is click on it. There's no complex process, just click and you're there. The simplicity of this method makes it convenient for those who might be collaborating across various platforms or individuals who are simply viewers needing to keep up with project updates. However, while you can view the content, it's important to remember that editing privileges are a different scenario. If you need to make changes or contribute directly to the sheet, you will need to be invited as a collaborator. The owner of the sheet can send you an invitation which allows you to perform edits just like any regular user with an account. To sum up, accessing Smartsheet without an account is a straightforward process as long as the sharing settings allow it. Just ensure the owner has provided you with a valid link and has enabled permissions for anyone with that link. Click the link, check out the content, and you're good to go. It's an efficient way to stay in the loop or review essential data without the need for a full Smartsheet sign-up. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has made it easier to navigate your way around Smartsheet without the need to create an account. If you have further questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for more assistance. Happy collaborating!